In this stretch tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a calcaneal stretch. And what we're going to be doing is targeting the inner side of the ankle with this stretch. So all you need to do is find something you can sit on. I'm going to bring my foot and my leg across my opposing leg. From here, I'm going to take my two thumbs. I want you to find the medial malleolus first. So look at your ankle, and it's this little bony prominence on the inside of your ankle. What you're then going to do is you're going to bring your thumbs into a position where they're underneath that malleolus, and you're going to press in. And then what I want you to do is don't move your thumbs at this point, just keep pressing in, around about a 7 out of 10 in terms of discomfort. Come up with the foot, and now as you've come up with the foot, up in terms of toe coming up to the ceiling, in this position, I want you now to bring your thumbs slowly in and up as you bring your foot back down. So my foot's coming down, my toe is pointing towards the floor now, and now I'm getting a stretch in the inner side of my ankle. As I've done that, I'm going to just show you what the thumbs did there. I've been gliding up with the thumbs as I was coming down with the foot. Once I've come down with the foot and I can't go any further, I'm going to hold my thumbs in position, and now I can start to feel a release through the inner side of the ankle. So let's go through those steps again. You're going to take one leg over the other leg, thumbs below the medial malleolus. What you're then going to do is point the toe up, bring your thumbs in a position where they're in contact, and then pull towards your body with the thumbs. As you bring your foot down, then hold that stretch in that exact position for your allotted amount of time. You would then be feeling this in the inner side of your ankle.